Thank you, Renee. My name is Young, and today I will present about the communication issue within a multicultural team. According to the Stirner and Norden in 2006, the success in the global marketplace increasingly requires people from the very different cultural to work together to make the global enterprise success. The globalizations and advance in the communications and transportation technology have reduced trade barriers and increased interaction among people. Communication is one of important factor to lead to success in multinational companies. Actually, when my team has a meeting with the interviewer, we know about that there are still a lot of communication changes with the multicultural team across the subsidiaries, such as the language barriers and communication style. So for all the language barrier, why is it? Why it have? Because when the people who are working together and speak different language, it can present a major obstacle to success. Learning a new language is a major undertaking and is more difficult as adult than a child. Now, imagine a multicultural team where many members speaking different language. Not only they don't understand the company producers and political, but also they are ineffective in their job. Moreover, they can unintentionally to take the slang and the joke the wrong way, who are the wrong way since they wouldn't interrupt them in every literal context. Not to the mention the team member who are not fully comfortable in the language they spoken as the office may they feel out of place and less inclined to share their opinion too. So similar to the language barrier, the main type of communication that are the normal for the one group of the people may be apparent ineffective to the another group. For example, the Western culture tend to be informal, for the formal compared to the another cultural may come across the acceptably friendly to someone, particularly an other person from the Western culture like the Japan, a person from the culture who allow voice and interrupting are not intended to be aggressive, maybe intimidate someone from the culture that teach a more reverse manner of the impressive. That's also determined different cultural difference. Yeah. So next part when we talk more about the conflict